Sleep plays a vital role in our physical and mental health, affecting our immune system, metabolism, mood, and cognitive functions. Quality sleep is essential for the body to repair and rejuvenate, promoting overall well-being. Lack of sleep can lead to a range of health issues such as heart disease, obesity, and mental health disorders. Prioritizing good sleep hygiene can enhance productivity, focus, and emotional well-being. It is crucial to recognize the importance of adequate and restful sleep for a healthier and happier life. Creating a relaxing sleep environment involves optimizing your bedroom for restful sleep. Tips include keeping the room dark, quiet, and cool to promote deep sleep. Choosing a comfortable mattress and pillows that support your preferred sleep position can enhance comfort. Decluttering the space and adding soothing elements like soft lighting or calming scents can contribute to a peaceful atmosphere. Additionally, establishing a bedtime routine and avoiding electronic devices before sleep can signal to your body that it's time to wind down and improve sleep quality. Establishing a bedtime routine can significantly impact sleep quality by regulating your body's internal clock. Consistency in sleep and wake times helps synchronize your circadian rhythm, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up naturally. A bedtime routine signals to your body that it's time to wind down, promoting relaxation and reducing the time it takes to fall asleep. Engaging in calming activities before bed, such as reading or practicing relaxation techniques, can further prepare your mind and body for sleep, leading to more restful nights and improved overall well-being. Adopting healthy habits is crucial for improving sleep patterns and overall sleep quality. Regular exercise can promote restful sleep by reducing stress and anxiety while improving mood and physical health. Monitoring and moderating caffeine and alcohol intake, particularly close to bedtime, can help prevent disruptions to sleep cycles. Maintaining a balanced diet and avoiding heavy meals before sleep can contribute to better digestion and comfort during the night. Establishing a relaxing bedtime routine, incorporating mindfulness practices, and creating a comfortable sleep environment are key lifestyle practices that can support healthy sleep habits. Managing stress and anxiety is essential for improving sleep quality as these factors often disrupt the ability to fall and stay asleep. Strategies such as engaging in relaxation techniques like deep breathing or meditation can calm the mind and body before bedtime. Creating a worry journal to offload intrusive thoughts and practicing mindfulness to stay present can reduce nighttime anxiety. Setting boundaries with work and technology, as well as seeking professional help when necessary, are important steps towards addressing underlying stressors that affect sleep. By establishing healthy coping mechanisms, individuals can cultivate a peaceful mindset conducive to restful sleep.